teach you how to crochet this cute little star. It can be used as brooches, hairpins, pendants, and decorations for clothes and bags, etc. I used 4 strands of cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. One chain, 1/2 double crochet, two chains, 1/2 double crochet, one chain, 1 slip stitch, one group is completed. Then repeat the same crochet method for 4 groups. 1 chain, 1/2 double crochet to chains, 1/2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch as a group. After you finish the last group, you can cut off the yarn. Tighten the loop. Glue. 0.4 millimeters beads. It can be used as brooches, hairpins, pendants, and decorations for clothes and bags, etc.